Hey friend, today we're going to learn something really interesting. The psychology behind how Japanese people keep their homes so clean and peaceful. It's not just about cleaning, it's about how they think. In Japan, people believe that your outer world reflects your inner world. If your room is messy, your mind feels heavy, but when your space is clean, your thoughts feel lighter. That's why cleaning is not seen as a chore. It's more like taking care of your own mind. There's also a deep sense of respect in Japanese culture. They respect their home the same way they respect people. Even small habits like removing shoes before entering are not just rules. They are reminders that this space matters. And when you respect your space, you naturally want to keep it clean. Instead of waiting for a big cleaning day, they clean a little every day. Small actions, simple habits, no stress. And over time, this becomes a lifestyle, not a burden. Another important idea is simplicity. They don't like clutter. They keep only what they truly need or love, because too many things can quietly drain your energy. Less stuff means more space. More space means more peace. And here's the most beautiful part. In Japan, cleaning is not punishment. It's self-care. When they clean, they're not just wiping surfaces, they're clearing their mind. It becomes a calm, almost meditative moment. So maybe keeping your home clean is not about being perfect. Maybe it's about creating a space where you can breathe, think, and feel at peace. If you like this kind of calm and meaningful content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay with me. Because here, we don't just learn things, we understand life a little better together. See you in the next video, friend.